YouTube. So I am at least going to put the motor in this car, get some of the work done at least. In the last video, or one of the last videos, I mentioned how bad it's rusted, but we're just going to go from here. I have the car here, I might as well start doing something. And the rust is bad, yeah. It isn't terrible, it isn't awful. The car could still run the way it is, but I was hoping it would be a hell of a lot better, but it's not. So we're just gonna tear apart the interior, get it all gutted, slowly build this car up to where it needs to be. So let's get into that. Last time I was gonna paint this, but you know, I found the rust issue, so I just kind of gave up. But I'm gonna have him paint it because, like I said, we're gonna work on the car anyways. So go right ahead, man. Good enough. Let's stay like that. Just one coat, cover up the black, or cover up the green. Alright, let's start tearing this apart. Get the seats out. Get the back seats out, all the junk out. So, get the junk out, and we'll start pulling the seats. We're going to start off with the seats. I'm pretty sure all you guys know how to take off car seats by now. Pretty sure I don't have to show you any of this. But there is 4 bolts. They are 12s. There's a front, 2 fronts, 2 backs. And oh boy, these things are rusted. Well, that one broke.
As Eugene said, everything breaks only on the items we own.
Where we're at so far. Got at least the seats out. So far I noticed this was rusted, right where my foot is. And then that side broke. So this one broke. That one's rusted. 2 back ones came out fine. This side came out fine. So hopefully when I pull up this carpet it's not terrible. But time to take out the back seats. Let's go!
Getting some light on that rust does not help it. Weight reduction. Oh, it's hot.
Alright, so we get the back seats out. Looking alright, looking alright. Next we're going to take off plastics and this nasty ass panel up here. So we'll get that started next. Alright, this is where we're at. Show's coming along, show's coming along. Alright, we're taking off this next. I'm gonna take this off, and the roof, or the ceiling, whatever it's called. Then we're gonna do the carpets afterwards. But there's some bolts and stuff in here that I need to take out first. So, let's go tackle this, yeah. I can't hear my dad. So, we got everything out so far. Still waiting on the carpet. Quick little update. He's cleaning the windows off. Taking out the old tint that was on it. Because it started peeling anyways and it was sticky. So that's what he's doing. Yeah, then we'll start pulling this up. This is where we're at. Everything's all done out of there. So now there's all that sound deadening. I'm probably not going to get to that tonight. You know. But we'll clean it out some more. And I'm going to check see if I can get those bolts out that snapped so I can put at least one of the seats back in. Put both the seats back in. So obviously this is where we're at. Right now we're taking out the last couple things before we call it a night. You alright?
Yep, just loud.
Taking those bounce off because we ain't gonna use it. Get all the junk out of the trunk.
I got so much junk in my trunk.
Get rid of those braces, and I think we might do sound deadening another day, maybe tomorrow, depending on what happens, but pretty much good, pretty much done. Keeping the dash in for now. Said, with this rust, I'm not gonna go too deep into this car, because if I find another car, I'm gonna swap out anyways. So we're looking good so far. Man, that rust is pissing me off. But hey, I'll get that motor and trans in, and we can hit the streets hopefully within this year. All right, guys. So we're gonna call it here. We got a lot of progress done, which was awesome. You know, he's burnt out. I'm a little burnt out. It's hot. It's so hot. So the plans with this car is to probably keep building it. Besides the rust. I'm not going to touch the paint, touch anything like that. I'm not going to like clean it up. I'm just going to leave it like a rusted ass shell until I find a better car. Right now, I'm not finding anything good. I've been looking like every night, and all the shells that I'm finding are just not worth it. So yeah, we're going to keep moving forward on this. Hopefully I can get it done before the end of the year. I want winter break for when he comes down to him to ride his car and I to drive mine, and we can take it to the track together. Maybe have a father-son race. Should I let him win? Not let him win. But alright, guys.
Lad. Hold on. What?
Yeah, you heard me. Alright, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Adios.
Shorty wanna diamonds, hell pounds. Shorty said she might let them bells bound. Shorty wanna cry, I'm like fuck it every night. Keep turning black, I close my eyes.